Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul learning series by wavesstrategy.com. And we are going to have a very short video on looking at Ichimoku Cloud, applying it on Index Nifty, and seeing why these are the times when you should be definitely cautious if you are a buyer in the market. And for sellers, this is sell on rise market, and you will be able to make more money by selling the rise rather than buying the dips. So I'm going to share across a very classic study, Ichimoku Cloud, which is a very simple way of looking at markets. And if you apply it correctly, you will be able to trade for intraday, positionally, investment. All of those things can be done by applying this simple concept, but in a correct fashion. So here is the screen. I'm just sharing it across and I'll go to the chart directly. If you are able to see this chart, this is a daily chart of Nifty, and you can clearly see the green highlighted lines that you see. This is the Ichimoku cloud that we talk about. So there are various lines that you see on the chart. Don't hesitate, don't get confused with that. These are simple lines. Just keep a watch on this like a moving average. So if you understand moving average, what we usually follow is as long as prices are above the average, the overall trend is positive. If prices move below the average, the trend turns negative. That is what you follow when you are looking at moving average. Now, similarly here, you can see this cloud is acting as a support. Then there is a red line and there is a blue line. Okay. So these are the there are four levels of defense, I would say, to the prices as a support or resistance. So the blue one, the red one, the upper end of the cloud and the lower end of the cloud. Now, if you look at this entire market movement from March 2020 onwards, from this low, you can clearly see that post that there had been an up move, and this entire up move, Nifty has managed to bounce back either of these support levels very sharply. So it bounced back from these levels, it bounced back again from here, it bounced back from the near the cloud, it bounced back from here, and multiple times that has happened. But this time we can see it came below the cloud, it then retested the end of the cloud, and now it's again starting to falter on the downside. Now that indicates something has changed. This is very similar to what we were witnessing before the fall of March 2020. I'm not saying we are going to crash like that or we are going to go at specific level. I'm just saying it's a cautious sign. Unless and until we see a move back above that level of 17,800, the market will remain on sell on rise. If we manage to move back above 17,800, then it will indicate that this was a false breakdown, and again the upward trajectory will resume. But unless that happens, use this opportunity of pullback to sell. And we can clearly see that prices are now below the red line, it is below the blue line, and it is also below both the clouds as of now at this level of that you are witnessing. So that definitely indicates something is changing. And this is a daily chart. You can apply this Ichimoku technique on an hourly chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. So if you're an option trader for intraday, you can do this technique even on a 15 minutes intraday chart, and you will be able to trade extremely well. So why you if you want to learn how to form an option strategy by looking at these kind of methods, you can register for option trading using technical analysis program, which is happening on 11th and 12th of December this weekend. And I'm going to show you simple volume profile, open interest analysis, how to buy options, what are call and put options, all of those things in much detail. So this is how you should be looking at the market in a very simple way, and make up your mind whether you should buy or sell, not because I am telling you what the indicators are suggesting. So that's how we have to do it. This is a disclaimer. We are SEBI registered research analysts. The views expressed are purely for educational purpose. You can see it there. Here is the contact detail. For more information on the training, you can simply call us on 9920422202 or visit wavesstrategy.com, and you'll have all the information from there. This is Ashish Kyal signing off. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you apply these techniques and tweet it across to me at the rate Kyal Ashish with your findings and learnings, and this will for sure increase your accuracy and confidence while trading in the market. Thanks a lot.